You want to make an update video? Yeah. So here they are. They're coming along. It's about a week or a week and a half after we planted. And just look at all the growth. Tomatoes are popping up. We got some of the Santaca peppers just poked up. And some peppers we're still waiting on. Let's see here. The Pasillo Baggio pepper, the cherry peppers, and the habanada. Ooh, the habanada did sprout. So, waiting on those. And then over here, jalapeno we're still waiting on. So, we got the peas coming up. The broccoli right here is looking really good. A whole bunch of broccoli. I don't normally do that much. Temperature in here is staying at a good 72. Even when it's zipped up, it stays right around there. 70% humidity. Staying nice and moist in here because I've been watering it. And anytime that a certain cell looks dry, I just give it a little bit of water. And the trays that are holding these mini trays have holes cut in them, so it's draining out. They aren't getting flooded by any means. You don't want to flood them. I'm still moving the light every day, and just raised it up. Normally I keep it, say, you know, anywhere from, well, I left it a little close last night and I got some burning, so I think probably 6 inches, about 8 inches, but that's going to vary based on the power of your light where you should keep it. But you just want to be wary of it. It can burn your plants. And I'm trying to move it around each day so that each plant gets its own attention, you know. And there won't be any neglected plants, hopefully. Look at those giant pumpkins. Wow. The Santaca chilies coming in nice. They're little. They just popped up. I'm real excited about those. Got just about every one of the Sumter cucumbers. Black diamond watermelon. Got 4 of them, 4 out of the 8. Yellow pear tomatoes. Black cherry tomatoes. Super beefsteak tomatoes. Doing pretty good. The straight 8 cucumbers. Doing really good. Got every one of them as well. The only thing that would make this better is if I had a fan, an oscillating fan in here to help the plants build strength and a sturdier stem. Anyways, thanks for watching. If you got any comments or ideas, feel free to leave them below.